All right, so I want to give you guys an update. Right now, we had to take the car off the lift just because it was so wide. It doesn't fit on any of our other lifts, and we had to take off the front bumper, the emblem on the side, and to get to the emblem on the side, you really got to drop the liner, get these little screws behind there, and then pop it off. It's not just double side tape, so you got to reach all the way in there. So the emblems have been removed, side reflector been removed, and there's just the trunk, front bumper, 2 fenders, mirrors left to wrap, and we might just powder coat the wheels in a nice gloss black. And the final touch that we're going to be putting on it is we're going to be doing the emblem also in a gloss black. So this is coming together quite nicely. Oh, I think we're also going to smoke the headlights just to darken it up a little bit to fit with the midnight theme, since this is a midnight gold. But I can't wait to show you guys the reveal of it once it's all finished. So we're currently on one of the last pieces. The front driver fender, the mirrors are beautifully done by Lisa. And the trunk is done. So the only thing that we have left to do is put it back together. And then we actually considered doing the wheels in gloss black. So those are gonna get done, and the car will be ready. So right now we actually just finished smoking the headlights, reflectors. The only thing that we got missing on this right now is having the front emblems. We're waiting for that back from paint, getting gloss black, and the wheels. But once everything is here, we're gonna put it all back together, and we're gonna do a very nice shoot with the whole thing put together. I'm extremely stoked to get this thing on the ground. I wanna see it outside. Hey guys, so I was saying how excited I was to put everything all back together, and here it is finally all wrapped up, and I'm so happy we went with this color finally. So the entire car is wrapped in the new Inozetek color. So it's very, very glossy. We polished it just to give it that extra shine at the end. And we added some little accent details to it. So headlights, you know, they were a little bit too chromy. So we kind of said, you know what, let's tone it down a little, put a very light tint on there, smoke the reflectors on the sides. And once we had everything done, we're like, you know what, it's missing some fine little details. And what we did was we also got the emblems painted in gloss black in the front and the rear. And the final thing we actually did was actually just change the lug nuts to some gloss black lug nuts to match everything and tie it all together. So absolutely stunning. The team absolutely killed it on this beautiful GTC4Lusso. And the fun part is it's actually going to be winter driven. So even the interior has the WeatherTech mats installed now. And I cannot wait for the owner to pick it up and see his reaction, to see how he's going to enjoy this car. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole process of it getting done. And the final car we wrapped for Christmas. Yeah, let's take it outside.